Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Naomi, and oh my god, it's almost Christmas time. You can see from my nails. It's Christmas themed, it's super cute. I want to apologize that I haven't been uploading new videos lately because I've been very super busy, and I hope you guys understand. I'm sorry again. And just a quick notice that I am not using Herbal products anymore. Just suddenly doesn't suit me, and I have been trying new product that is from Kiehls. I think you guys know that product. It has like a lot of varieties: oily skin, sensitive skin, like from the cleansers, the face wash, and then toner, serums, moisturizers, and then the mask, and everything is just totally different. I've been using Kiehls for about, I don't know, about 2 or 3 weeks, I think, and it's been very good to me. Like, yeah, at first time it has been a little bit adjustments first for sensitive skin and all that. I have to be really careful too, because I need to read the ingredients, make sure no ingredients at all that could affect my sensitive skin or make it into a breakout. Anyway, I will show you the products that I've been using from Kiehls. Right, so these are all the Kiehls products that I'm using for the last 2-3 weeks. I'm gonna explain to you all of them, okay? So hang in there, guys. Face cleanser for sensitive skin. So the texture is kind of a bit milky, but not too gooey. You can apply it on dry or wet face. So yeah, it's been very good to me. And you just need about like two pumps or 1.5 pumps for your whole face, so it's enough. This little thing, this is the Ultralight Daily UV Defense from Kiehls. So they give me like small testers every time I shop. And then I have this one. This is the Breakout Control Blemish Treatment Facial Lotion. So I also have this one, the Blue Herbal Spot Treatment. Okay, it comes in a little tube like this. Okay, and it's for if you have like little tiny spots and doesn't have any like that pus or that hat, you know. So it's kind of for the little small acne. One is for the bad acne on your face, the one that's already have the head and ready to pop. This is your go-to, okay? It really dries out your acne really quick. Plus, I think there's a few peeling on your skin too, changing new skin. So yeah, it's great. This is the Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream, and I also have this one, the Ultra Facial Cream. But the difference is from the texture. This one is gel, and this one is creamy. So this one is for you guys who has oily skin, okay, normal to oily skin. This is your go-to moisturizer. But if you have a normal and combination, or you have dry face, this is your go-to moisturizer, okay? It's really good, like it's really hydrating your face like the whole night. So when you wake up the next morning, your face is magical, it's glowing. This is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Okay, this is for minimizing pores. And trust me, I have huge pores, and yeah, this is what you need if you have huge pores, oily skin, and sensitive skin. So it's really cool. Actually, it's like a white clay. You just leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that I just wash my face with water. Soothing Hydration Mask. This is for all skin types, and this one is for like if you have any irritation on your face, redness on your face, it calms your skin down. This 3. Okay, so I've tried this one actually last time, the Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask, but I think it's suitable for dry skin more than on my skin. it doesn't really do much on my skin. So I think if you have dry skin, you can have a little try of this one. I haven't got the chance to try this one yet, but I'm gonna skip first because usually for all skin types it doesn't really usually, you know, do much for oily skin. This is for oily skin, so this is supposed to be the bomb for your oily face. Haven't tried it yet, but I will soon. And these are not just all the testers that I've tried. Actually, I have another one, a toner. It's cucumber, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I tried it and it goes super red on my skin for a few days and it become really irritated. So not a recommendation if you have sensitive skin. These are all of my babies that I am trying on my face and it works. And please do not expect instant results. Like, you have to use it for a few weeks and all that, and then you can see the results. I've been using another facial cleanser, which is from Calendula too. The face wash is super good. It's deep cleanser face wash and it's very good. You just like use a little bit and it gets really soapy and foamy on your face. It's very good for your oily skin. I recommend that too, but I'm sorry, I have used the whole tube for it, right? Okay, anyway, that's all I think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, moving on. Okay guys, so that was the Kiehls products that I'm using every day, twice a day, morning or afternoon and night before I go to bed. And make sure if you want to try it, you have to read the ingredients and you have to ask the people there, okay? Yes, the workers there. Which one is suitable for you, which one is not. I'm sorry if the camera is shaking because I'm not using a tripod, I'm just using my right hand to hold the camera. Anyways, I will upload another video soon. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.